this what they do. I can tell he ain't on that the way he move. Fell on my dick, I right back up, they think it's woo. High-headed young nigga, but I'm cool. Fucked up my bread, I got it back, I found my groove. How you got license for that 5, but ain't gon' shoot? Steady holler when you know you ain't gon' slide. Big 114 ass nigga, boy, you pie. Real niggas moving silence, we on pillow talk. Pull up on a nigga, curve him like a sidewalk. If it's tech, then pussy nigga pop off. Sweep your block, bury the broom just like a mob boss. I'm just saying, if I tried, I'ma risk the charge. But my respect ain't got no dad, I risk it all. Stay in your place, just playing safe, fool, don't get involved. Fired up, time to evolve, but this ain't Pokemon. The way they stick up for transforming like it's Megatron. This shit go off, I'm hitting head, neck, leg, and arm. I'm a hungry little Haitian, I can't keep calm. I'll snap it any minute, I'm a time bomb. Towards 40 in that bitch, holding 30. Bring you smoke like the hippies in the 70s. Flow sick, team of me ain't got no remedies. Seeking revenge, I'ma ride on my enemies. I feel like Tupac with his Cuban in his nose ring. I've been competing with myself, gotta beat the old me. Niggas competing with they homies on their own team. That's why I'm rocking and I'm rolling by my lonely. So on the grind and ZODG what I'm standing on. No handouts, no big homies, get mine on my own. So when I blow, can't that nigga say he put me on. They say I fell off, I feel like I fell back in my zone. Ain't shit original about you niggas be clones. No pen, no pad, no iPhone, this shit off the dome. My fully straight, he made a play, he threw his dog a bone. He threw his dog a bone. My fully straight, he made a play, he threw his dog a bone. He threw his dog a bone.